said I was a cute person.
I need to hear it again. I'm a fucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. On the top of the roof. I'm the Ho Chi Minh. Come in.
King of the castle.
Ah, that was King of the Castle. Ho Chi Minh here. Scat.
Yeah?
Should we go get a massage?
Yay!
A little like neck and shoulder.
Yes.
We've been editing the whole day. It's almost 2 o'clock.
It's almost 3 o'clock.
Almost 3. It's time.
Yeah.
We go and treat ourselves now.
First lunch.
Yes. Where are we
and
going?
the massage. We're gonna find a place where they have Vietnamese spring rolls.
Ooh, yeah, tack.
Fresh ones. You can see that it's very important that I have my sunglasses on for this weather today. But it won't stop us getting the fresh spring rolls.
So we're waiting for Grab.
Yeah, we are.
2 minutes.
Because we have no raincoats with us, we really have to buy that though.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Got your roll. Got your matcha layered pastry. Matcha pistachio croissant. Oh my god. Should we just take a matcha gourmet? That's gonna be easier to cut into, I think.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe I want more. Like, look at that funny crunchy macaron.
We're gonna try it right away.
Right away.
No pause.
I'm a hungry horse. Is that how you...
That's a wonderful expression, Scott. A hungry horse. What are we saying?
Take a bite.
Rate it.
Oh, that is 20 out of 10.
That's intense.
It's sweet, it's matcha, it's croissant. You want another bite?
It's actually good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah, but you know me with sweet stuff.
Take a bite, Scat. Cut it. Yes, there we go.
Where are we going, Scott?
Have some fun.
I found the one we're gonna try.
One game.
We just take one game. VR paraglider.
Are we gonna take more than one game, Scat? That's too much money. Yeah, we take 3,000. Okay, no, wait. We take this one.
What are we considering of prices?
It's a massage.
Oh yeah, massage.
320 points. Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
You don't want to do the VR paraglider? I thought you would be so happy.
Yes. You want to start with this?
What do you want to start with?
It's 15 points per game. We have 320 points.
Nice.
He said it's 14 to 15 points per game.
Oh my god. We're gonna be here all afternoon.
Let's do a horse competition. Oof, let's say that was not the best game, huh?
I want to try that.
This, yes, basket. I think I missed like 4. Champion! We're like ninjas. A seatbelt. Oh my god, it's real paragliding.
I already feel extremely terrified.
Oh my god, you're
completed this unimaginable challenge. Let us give them the warmest applause.
Oh, I was terrified.
oh my god, I'm dizzy.
I am so much. He's for real. Not joking around. Ah, yes, I got one.
You got one.
I got two. Nine. This one.
Keeps on going. How much I got? Big win. Okay, we have 1,000.
Never again.
1,000. We can get some stuff with 1,000 points.
A little watch.
It's a La Boo watch,
La Bululu.
but they don't even say how many points you need for it. Should we just give it to a kid?
Yeah.
Let's just go give our
Let's
card
give it to a kid.
kids.
I do it.
Yes.
You can choose something.
Good skate, babe.